Good morning class, welcome to St.PETERS school. This is your science class, and in previous class we were doing question and answer. We have almost covered all the question and answer. Very few questions are now left, so let's finish all those questions. Question number 6, the density of a metal is 10.8 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. So find the relative density of the metal. So what is the question? Actually you have to find out the density of the metal. So for that what you will require, remember that formula when we were studying about the relative density. In that case, relative density of a substance is equal to density of the substance into density of the water. Okay, density of the substance into density of the water. Now what is given in your question? Density of a metal is already given here. Find the relative density of the metal, and we already know what is the density of water. Density of the water is 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, so relative density, you already know the relative density of a substance, and the density of the substance is given in a question, and density of the water you already know. Now you have to find the relative density of the metal. So you will just directly put the value, all the values. Relative density of the substance is equal to density of the substance into density of the water. So 10.8 into 10 to the power 3 by 10 to the power 3 is equal to, I'm so sorry, lots of time I told you density of the substance into not, it's density of the substance by density of water. Here the divide sign is missing, so you can put here divide sign. Okay, so actually the formula is relative density of the substance is equal to density of the substance by density of the water. So then relative density of the substance will be as 10.8 into 10 to the power 3 by 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3 will cancel itself, and 10.8 will be the value. So relative density of the metal is equal to 10.8. This is your final answer. Next question is question number 7. Again this is a numerical type question. Volume of an object is 20 centimeter cube and the mass in the 15 gram. Volume of an object is 20 centimeter cube and the mass is 50 gram. Density of the water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Will the object float on water or sink in water? Okay, so what all the पहले अगर हमको पता करना है कि if the object will float on the water or the sink in the water, for that what we will require, we should know about the density of density of the water. We already know. We have to find out the density of an object. Okay, so volume of the object is already given and the mass of the object is already given. So density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, so how you will do it? What happened here? Again the divide sign is missing. You can put here the divide sign, and this is actually the video making mistake. Okay, so density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is given, mass of the substance is given, and the volume is also given. So 50 by 20 is equal to 2.5 gram centimeter cube per centimeter cube. Now we know the density of water already. Okay, so density of water is 1 gram centimeter cube. So density of the that object which we need to check is more than the density of the water. Since the density of the object is greater than the density of water, therefore the object is going to sink in a water. वो डूब जाएगा क्योंकि वाटर की डेंसिटी कम है और उस ऑब्जेक्ट की डेंसिटी जो हमने फाइंड आउट किया है दैट इज मोर देन द डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर. हेंस व्हाट हैपन, इट विल सिंक इनटू द वाटर. तो कभी भी अगर किसी भी चीज को फ्लोट करना है, सो व्हाट शुड बी देयर, लाइक वाटर की डेंसिटी से ऑब्जेक्ट की डेंसिटी कम होनी चाहिए. देन इन दैट केस ओनली इट विल फ्लोट, अदरवाइज इट विल सिंक इनटू द वाटर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ प्लास्टिक कवर्ड सील्ड बॉक्स इज 350 centimeter cube and the box has a mass 500 gram. Will the box float on the water or sink in the water? What will be the mass of the water displaced by the box? Now, in this, two questions have been asked. One, the buoyant force has been the buoyant value is asked, and second is the question, is it float in the water or sink into the water. Again the volume is given and the mass has been given. So we will first of all we will find out the density of the object. So volume of the box is given 350 centimeter cube, mass of the box is 500 gram. So density of the object is equal to mass of the object by volume of the object is equal to 500 by 350. Value will be 1.43 gram centimeter cube, gram per centimeter cube. Now you got the, again we can clearly see, now we know that density of the water is 1 gram per centimeter cube while the density of the object is 1.43 gram per centimeter cube. Again it is greater than the density of the water, so it will sink. Since the density of the box is greater than the density of the water, therefore the object is going to sink in a water. Now volume of the water displaced by the box is equal to volume of the box. Volume of the box is 350 centimeter cube. So mass of the water displaced is equal to density of the water displaced into volume of the box. Density of the water है 1 gram per centimeter cube, while वॉल्यूम क्या है, जितने एरिया का जो ऑब्जेक्ट रहता है उतना ही वाटर पानी बाहर आता है. ओके, सो द मास ऑफ द वाटर निकालने के लिए इन दैट केस डेंसिटी ऑफ द वाटर इनटू वॉल्यूम, बिकॉज मास इज इक्वल टू डेंसिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम. डेंसिटी ऑफ द वाटर इज 1 gram centimeter cube while volume of the box is already given. Then the mass of the water displaced by the box is 350 gram. Okay. In this way all the question and answer is already completed. If you are still having any confusion, you can ask me anytime on the WhatsApp or you can personally message me also. If you are not understanding any questions or answer, or if you are not understanding any particular point, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so till now what you are going to do, you are going to write down the question and answer. When there will be assignment section, I will give you to write this question and answer in your notebook. So start writing. You can also start writing question and answer in your notebook. So till the time, take care and bye bye.